Moving to Australia as a student is daunting but exciting. There are so many opportunities here, especially if you love food. The culinary scene is diverse, and there's always something new to learn. But let me be real with you, it's not an easy journey. Being a chef is no joke. It's a tough life. You'll work long hours, often more than most people, and almost every holiday. Cooking is definitely not for the weak-hearted. It challenges you in so many ways, but it also teaches you discipline, resilience, and the importance of hard work. If you're looking to study hospitality in Melbourne, there are 4 main establishments known for their culinary programs: William Inglis Institute, Le Cordon Bleu, Homeschooling, and Box Hill Institute. These schools offer great hands-on training and can set you on the right path for a career in the food industry. So, what qualifications do you need to work as a chef in Australia? You'll need at least a certificate for in-commercial cookery or patisserie. This is the minimum qualification required if you want to work professionally in a kitchen and eventually apply for work visas or permanent residency. You also need to be studying for a minimum of 2 years before applying for a work visa, so make sure you choose wisely. There is so much more to know about becoming a chef in Australia, and I'll be sharing more in future videos. So, keep watching to learn more facts about what it takes to make it in this industry. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about studying or working as a chef in Australia. I'd love to help. See you in the next video.